Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox scripts on mobile. It's important to understand that directly writing and running custom scripts on your phone or tablet isn't officially supported. Roblox Studio, where all the magic happens, is a desktop application. So, the only way to engage with scripts on mobile involves either playing games that utilize them or exploring remote access options to a computer. The simplest and most common method to interact with Roblox scripts on your mobile device is by simply playing the vast array of games available. Every single game you play on Roblox, whether it's an adventure, a simulator, or a role-playing experience, is built upon intricate scripts. These scripts dictate how characters move, how objects behave, and how the entire game world functions, offering countless hours of entertainment. For those who truly want to create scripts using their mobile device, a viable workaround is remote access. This involves using a remote desktop application, like TeamViewer or Chrome Remote Desktop, to control a personal computer that has Roblox Studio installed. While you won't be scripting directly on your phone, you'll be using your mobile device as a window to your desktop, allowing you to write and test scripts from anywhere with a good internet connection. It's crucial to acknowledge the limitations. Direct mobile scripting isn't a feature, primarily due to the complexity of the Roblox Studio environment and security considerations. While remote access offers a solution, it can be cumbersome with small screens and touch interfaces. For the best experience, always create scripts on a desktop computer using Roblox Studio. Avoid any unofficial applications promising direct mobile scripting, as they can pose significant security risks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.